The fruitcakes kept coming. So did the newspaper headlines and articles about the fruitcakes. For decades, the holiday delicacies and the printed accounts announcing their annual arrival at the home of a Civil War veteran in Macon were a Christmas rite for the soldier's family and for the Telegraph and its readers. The cakes, one each Christmas, were shipped from a Civil War-era doctor in Virginia to the Macon veteran he had befriended during the war and on 2 occasions nursed back to health. The soldier, Abner Thurmond Holt, served with the Floyd Rifles, who were among the first Confederate volunteers to enter the war. For years in the newspaper here, headlines like one from Christmas 1898, by then nearly 4 decades into the tradition, were a Yuletide staple. That year's accompanying write-up mentioned how Dr. Charles C. Couch, the physician who sent the cakes, had, quote, tenderly nursed Holt during Holt's days in the Confederate Army. Couch sent Holt the first cake early in the war, and that token ritual of their friendship continued on into the early 1920s, after both were dead. Couch sent Holt the first cake early in the war, and that token ritual of their friendship continued on into the early 1920s, after both were dead. A Telegraph write-up in 1917 described what had between the soldier and doctor been, quote, a warm friendship, one that upheld the fruitcake tradition down the years, and one that made sure each Christmas that a cake, baked by loving hands, was sent to the Holt household.